Question for you. Do you communicate well? I don't mean that as a trick question, except maybe I kind of do, because here we go. Let me tell you a quick story about communication. Once upon a time, a number of years ago, I met a business consultant who worked with companies going through strategic change. And she said to me, I hope you're sitting down for this. She told me that she advises her clients not to talk about the change, but to just go ahead and implement it. Not to communicate at all. Never mind thinking about how to communicate well. Okay, I had to scrape my jaw up off the floor in order to smile politely and find someone else to talk with. Because we know, most of us know, that we have to communicate with our people about the change we're planning and why we're doing it and how we're rolling it out. But here's the thing. A lot of that communication tends to be top down, which means it's telling about the change, not communicating. Instead, as I advise my clients, we need to have conversations about the change. Because a funny thing happens when you actually have conversations with your people about change. You learn stuff. You learn about their perspectives, and you learn about their ideas, and you learn about the risks they see that maybe you didn't see. In fact, if you have real conversations about the change with your people, I will guarantee that you'll learn things that will make your change better. I've seen it over and over again. You'll also learn what they're worried about personally. Are they thinking there might be layoffs? Do they worry about how this will impact their workload and their priorities? Do they need help prioritizing? Or maybe they're wondering what kind of training will be offered in any of the new processes or tools that are being rolled out. All of these things are important to know because then you can take action on what's important to your people. And you won't discover any of it if you just tell about the change. You won't know what you're missing in terms of the risk factors. You won't know what you're missing, what they're missing in terms of what they need to know, like about training, just as a for instance. And I promise you, people will be more supportive, stress levels will be lower, and that means your change will be more successful. There's links to more information on all this down there in the video description. And so go forth. Don't tell, conversate. And yes, that's a word. And any questions or comments, I come back to answer everyone. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click that bell so you'll know when I release new videos on change and change leadership. And as always, take care.